Okay, basically here we are finding out the different temperature measurement scale. So we are basically using three scale. One is called degree centigrade, another is degree Fahrenheit, and the third one is Kelvin scale. So basically we are giving the relation between degree centigrade and degree Fahrenheit. So look at this. This is the relation C by 5 equal to F minus 32 by 9. This is the relation between degree centigrade and degree Fahrenheit. And another relation in between degree centigrade and Kelvin. So that is T Kelvin equal to 273 plus T degree centigrade. So basically we are taking suppose 30 degree centigrade. So in Kelvin it is T Kelvin equal to suppose we are taking a 30 degree centigrade. In Kelvin it should be like that, 273 plus 30 Kelvin, that is 303, that is 303 Kelvin. Like that, here one question is given that the temperature at which the density of liquid is maximum. So as you know that the density of liquid is maximum at 4 degree centigrade, but the answer is given in Fahrenheit. So that's why we are using this value, that is C equal to 4. By putting this value within this formula C equal to 4, and by calculating we are getting, look at this, F equal to 39.2 degree Fahrenheit. So it's quite different answer. So most of the students will actually give the answer as 4 degree Fahrenheit, but it's not 4 degree Fahrenheit, it's 4 degree centigrade. So you must have to convert it into Fahrenheit. Okay, that's it. Thank you.